Hey everyone! If you're a small business owner tired of missing important calls or losing customers after hours, this video is for you. Today, I'm reviewing VoiceGenie AI, a powerful AI call agent that answers your calls 24/7, books appointments, handles fax, and even qualifies leads. All without you lifting a finger. And guess what? There is a free trial waiting for you. Just click the link in the description to try it out yourself. Now, let's dive into these details of VoiceGenie AI. So, first off, what exactly is VoiceGenie? Well, it's like having a personal receptionist, except it's powered by cutting-edge artificial intelligence. VoiceGenie AI is a cloud-based solution that allows small and local businesses to have an AI-driven voice assistant to answer calls and handle various tasks on their behalf. The best part is that it uses natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to callers in a way that feels natural and human-like. But what does that actually look like in practice? Let me show you. Imagine you run a busy salon and you're always swamped during business hours. With VoiceGenie AI, you can have an AI receptionist that answers calls after hours and on weekends, too, providing information about your salon, such as the services you offer, your opening hours, and how to book an appointment. Not only does this free up your time to focus on other aspects of your business, but it also ensures that potential customers don't get lost in voicemail oblivion. Another great feature of VoiceGenie AI is its ability to book appointments and capture lead information. The AI can integrate with your calendar and CRM tools to automatically book appointments and add new clients to your database. This not only saves you time, but it also ensures that you have a record of all your clients and their preferences, which can be used to personalize your service and improve your offerings. All right, let's talk benefits. Why should you consider VoiceGenie AI for your business? Well, first and foremost, it's available 24/7, just like I mentioned before, so you'll never miss a call or an opportunity again. Secondly, it's customizable. You can train the AI to sound like you or your business. So whether you want it to be friendly and casual or professional and polite, VoiceGenie AI can adapt to your needs. Plus, if you serve a community that speaks different languages, VoiceGenie AI has got you covered. It supports multiple languages so you can communicate with anyone, regardless of their language barrier. Okay, let's take a moment to appreciate some more features. VoiceGenie AI provides real-time transcripts of every call so you can keep track of your interactions. It also offers detailed call logs, which is super handy for reference or follow-ups. And the best part is that there's no complicated setup required. VoiceGenie AI is plug and play. You can get started right away without any technical expertise. So, who is VoiceGenie AI for? Well, basically anyone who wants to improve their business operations and provide better customer service. But it's especially useful for small service providers like HVAC, plumbing or electrician businesses, doctors, dentists or vet clinics, salons, spas or beauty businesses, real estate agents, and daycare or preschool operators. Basically, if you depend on phone calls to get business, then VoiceGenie AI is worth considering. Think about it. With VoiceGenie AI, you can be sure that your calls are being answered promptly and professionally, even when you read not available. It's like having an extra pair of hands or a personal assistant, except it never gets tired, takes days off, or needs coffee breaks. Plus, it's affordable. As a small business owner myself, I know how valuable time and money are. And with VoiceGenie AI, you won't have to worry about hiring and training a receptionist, buying expensive equipment, or dealing with the headaches of scheduling and time clocks. So, are you ready to take your business to the next level with VoiceGenie AI? Well, don't wait. Sign up for a free trial today and experience the benefits for yourself. Trust me, your customers will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.